Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So try to ingrain this in your mind. We've seen this before in the past. Try to ingrain this in your mind. Well, make use of this to convert this into Cartesian form. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so well, to convert this, we could square root both sides here and then put this into this r here. But a better way would be to look at this and then square both sides. So that will then take us to this. Now we can easily slot this into here, and then well, at the back of your mind, try to train yourself to realize that the minute you see this, this is really x. So this bit here is x. Okay, so this thing here will then become this. Will then become this. So now looking at this, you've got 4. So now it's, well, tidy up. It will then take you to here, and then this is your Cartesian form. So if you get a graph plot and plot it, you will get this. Okay. So next question. So convert this into Cartesian form. So press pause and have a go. Okay. So the minute you see this, you should have this in your mind. So now we can put this because r squared equals that. So we can put this into the r squared. The minute you see this, you know it's x. So that will then take you to here. Okay, and then you're pretty much done here. But what does this actually mean? What does it look like? Well, if you take -4 away from both sides, that will then give you this. Now complete the square. So remember, completing the square would be you zooming into these two bits, and then it's always going to be half of the coefficients here. It's always going to be half. So that will then give you this, and then you take away the rubbish. Well, do whichever way you want. Somehow complete the square. That will then take you to here, and then now you can see once it's in this form here, you can see it's of a form of a circle, but it's been moved across by 2, and it has a radius of 2. Okay.